So there's a variety of choices. If you just want to get analytics and don't want to change anything that internally caregivers would see, we can connect to those systems and bring those analytics together at an enterprise level. So we can go into an organization and connect to their nurse call systems. Caregivers in the building might not even know that we've made any change, but all we're doing is really gathering the data and delivering it in an enterprise level report. So we can do it that. If they just want to get rid of walkie-talkies or find a better communications platform, we can do that. If they want to incorporate family and resident communications into that, we have those options as well. And then if they want to kind of tie everything together from a nurse call and sensing and communications and analytics platform, we have those options as well.